Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with GitHub Apps for SaaS integrations, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by understanding what GitHub Apps are and how they function within the GitHub ecosystem. Identify the purpose of your integration and the GitHub resources your app will need access to. Create a GitHub app by navigating to your GitHub account settings and selecting Developer Settings. Click on GitHub Apps and then choose New GitHub App to start the configuration process. Fill out the required fields, including the app's name, description, and homepage URL. Set the necessary permissions based on the resources your app will access. Choose the appropriate events your app needs to receive webhooks for. Generate an OAuth or JWT token for authentication, depending on your app's needs. For installation, you may use the app's installation ID, which provides you access to the API on behalf of the user. To obtain the installation token, you'll need to make a request to the GitHub API using the JWT. Make sure to handle token refreshing, as the installation tokens expire after a short period. Store your private key securely, as it is required to sign the JWT. After obtaining the installation token, use it to authenticate API requests to GitHub on behalf of your users. Test your app thoroughly to ensure that authentication works as expected. Monitor logs and user feedback to catch any potential authentication issues. Review GitHub's documentation and best practices to stay updated on any changes in the authentication process. Properly handle error responses to provide a smooth user experience during authentication. Finally, ensure compliance with GitHub's policies and guidelines for GitHub apps. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.